Hello YouTube. As you know, I'm a knife fanatic, and while on holiday I bought another Leatherman Charge TTI. It's probably one of the best multi-tools you can buy, and when the knife comes it is sharp, but it's not sharp enough. So I brought this Lansky sharpener just to tip it up into where I want it to be. So just to give you a quick demonstration, as you know I always test the knife out on my legs. I'm just going to give you a little look at how sharp it is. So here we go. And here we are. I'll probably finish them off later and shave my legs till they're absolutely prestige. Even a woman would be proud. There you go.